Save time by paying your suppliers electronically with QuickBooks Online, all in the same bulk payment. This short video will explain the process of setting up bulk payments for your suppliers with an ABA file. An Australian Bankers Association file is payment data contained in an electronic file which is then uploaded directly to your banking system online. The setup is once only, and then you're ready to go. It could save you time when making multiple payments. It can also help with making accurate payments and eliminating errors when paying a supplier. To start with ABA, each bank normally has a 9-digit number assigned, which is used to identify the bank you are uploading the electronic file to. Let's show you how easy it is to set up correctly and upload to your bank for payments. First, you need to set up the bank account the payments will be processed in. From the gear icon under Settings, click on Chart of Accounts. Now choose the bank account you will be making payment from. On the right-hand side, click on the down arrow and choose Edit. At the bottom of the screen that pops up, select the box next to I create batch payments for this account. New fields will appear, so enter BSB, account number, bank code. Depending on the bank you deal with, you might need to add a bank direct entry user ID. One thing to be mindful of is that some banks require a self-balancing transaction batch within the file. If so, ensure you select the bottom box. If not sure of the information required, call your bank for numbers required. Click Save. The next step is to set up the suppliers to be paid through the ABA file. Select the suppliers you wish to be paid through an ABA file. It's a once-only setup for each supplier. And once in your supplier card, click on Edit. A pop-up window with all the supplier details will appear. And on the bottom right-hand corner, you will see an option to select I create batch payments to pay this supplier. Select this box and complete the BSB and account name, account numbers and payment details in statement text. Click Save. Next, it's time to prepare the ABA electronic file now that the setup in the bank and suppliers has been completed to pay a batch of bills. To pay bills, go to the Quick Create button. Then under Suppliers, click on Pay Bills. Choose from the top left corner the bank account that the ABA file will be paid from by clicking on the up-down arrow. It's important to note when doing this, the bottom right-hand corner bar will change from a Save button to a Create Batch Payment button. To make payments, simply add a tick to the left of the bill entry. This will populate the invoice amount on the far right under the total amount column. If the payment is only a partial amount, you can amend it under the column Payment, second from the right. You are now ready for the bulk payment to be made. Click on the bottom right-hand corner bar, Create Batch Payment. The ABA file seen on the left-hand corner of the window will appear once payment has been created. Also, the bills that have just been selected to be paid are no longer listed for payment. Ensure you save this ABA file where it will be easily found on your computer, ready for upload to your bank for payment. So why not begin using an ABA file next time you're making payments? That's it. Now get started.